Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. So before we get into it, get into the sleek and shiny and silkiness of this hair. Like, do y'all see this? Nadula, you did that. So this hair is from Nadula hair, like y'all heard me say. It is so gorgeous, and I'm gonna just show you guys how I installed this unit. It's actually a wig, and could you guess it was a closure unit? Oh no? Oh, okay. So this unit is Nadula's closure unit. It is a 5x5 HD lace closure, so we give in frontal realness but in a closure, and we just love that. We love to do a little and have it look like a lot. So these baby hairs are definitely giving frontal tease on a budget because it's a closure and not a frontal, and it's super work friendly, super school friendly, super casual friendly. Sis, you could just wear this hair in your house and look like a baddie. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box below. I have on the 5x5 HD lace closure unit in 24 inches and 180 density. It's giving what it's supposed to give, and we really appreciate that. So if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box below. If you'd like to see how I did this unit, just keep on watching. We're gonna start by flattening our top using our Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray. You know, hairspray gets your hair stiff, so with the hot comb and the hairspray combination, it gets our hair flat. The lace is already given what it's supposed to give. It's given what lace, this coming on my scalp, so we need to at least contribute to ensure that everything else is flat, right ladies? Oh, okay. So we're gonna just part out little sections. We're working in tiny sections, and this really just helps to ensure that everything is getting nice and flat. So right now I'm gonna just cut the lace off. I'm gonna be just cutting the lace in 3 parts, so it is just pretty much just easier to cut. And what you want to do is just take your razor comb and gently and slowly cut your lace. We're gonna be using our holy grail or oldie but goodie got to be glue gel in the black tube. She don't play about us, okay? She gonna make sure our edges is secured. So what we're gonna do is part out a thin section of hair. We don't need a lot. We don't need curtain drapes, sis. Okay. So we're gonna just snip, snip, snip. Make sure we get all them hairs cut. Then we're gonna start our swooping. If you know, you know. So you just gonna swoop until it's perfect enough for you or to your liking. Then we're gonna be using our blow dryer on cool, not hot. Cool, sis. That's what allows our baby hairs to stay in place and stay secured all day. So once you do one side, just do the other side and get yourself all the way together, girl. Yes, y'all, biosilk. Like, every girl who has been wearing wigs, weaves for a long time, she knows about biosilk, but she doesn't want to pay for biosilk because who wants to spend $15 on this little bottle? Really now, like, nobody wants to do that. But I bought biosilk so you don't have to, or so you could see how it is before you buy it. So let me tell you that this product gets the hair super straight. Like, it don't get no better than this. I love the results from using this, and let me just tell you, as of now on, I'm a biosilk girl. Like, biosilk, if you're watching this, your product is bomb. And it is just so compatible with straight hair, body wave hair, any hair that you want to get super bone straight. It's super weightless, it's perfect. But enough about biosilk. All you have to do is just use your flat iron. I'm using mine on 450. I'm using the Babyliss Titanium Pro flat iron, and I'm going over these hairs as many times as I want to because it's all about getting it bone straight. So who cares? It's a weave, so we don't mind, you know, doing a couple passes or whatever. So yeah, just make sure you're creating small sections in the front just so you can get a nice seamless flat finish, and just keep on watching. I am back, and this is pretty much just how the wig looks. I love it so much. I feel like this biosilk thing just took this wig straightness and sleekness and shininess to a whole different level, and we just love that for sis. So this wig is again from Nadula hair. It's their 5x5 closure. We giving you frontal tease, okay? And it is HD lace, so you are getting the best of the best. Really good quality hair, as well as really good quality lace. It's really nice and thin, really easy to install. I didn't even have to use any glue, and I just love this. It's super minimal, super easy for a beginner. You could have literally just followed along to this tutorial and got your hair done right up, sweetheart. So I love it. So far so good. This 180 density is giving life. As you can see, it is so silky and shiny, and the hair gets really bone straight. It's really easy to run my fingers through it, and shedding is definitely non-existent. I haven't had any shed hairs. So far it is amazing. This wig is gorgeous, and if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Without further ado, I'll see you all in my next one. Don't forget to keep up with me on my socials, where you'll be able to see pictures of this gorgeous unit. And don't forget to follow Nadula's social medias so you can always be updated whenever they post anything. as it relates to hair, bundles, wigs, closures, frontals, you name it, Nadula has it. And I'll see you all in my next one.